Look at me. That makes it worse. Don't look at me.
You ready?
No, I'm gonna start laughing. We should just like slide right into it, because if you announce it,
Okay.
it will go back to me laughing.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today,
Let's start again. I can't do this. Oh my
Jesus.
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Jules, so you can call me Julia, and
I'm Blessing. You can call me Blessing.
so today I have my sister over, and I'm gonna try and attempt recreating this look on her and try and turn it into me. So yeah. Wanna see how that goes? Just keep on watching.
Thanks.
See, it wasn't difficult.
I suppose not. Lol.
So to start, I'm prepping her eyelids using the P.Louise base in the shade Rumour number 5. And now I'm going in with the Revolution X Tammi palette in Tropical Twilight, and I'm using the shade Twilight, just like outlining the eye, and I'm just spreading that color in before I blend it out, just so I have the outline of the eye and where I need to blend. Now to help blend out that first shade, I'm going in with the shade True Love, and I'm just gonna pick it on top of the first shade and work it a bit further in, and then I'll blend it out after and just mix the two shades together and make it all seamless. And now to cut the crease, I'm going in with the same P.Louise base, Rumour number 5. And for the lid, I'm going in with this I Have Revolution palette, and I'm using the palette Turkish Delight, going in with a shade called Roses. This one is like another extension of Revolution, but it's not exactly Revolution. But yeah, I'm going in with a shade called Roses, and I'm just going to put that on the outer half of the cut crease. Now using the same palette, I'm going in with the shade Candy, which is like a more pale pink, and I'm just going to use that on the inner section of the cut crease. Now after placing that shade, I'm just gonna blend it in together with the shade Roses because I don't want that straight hash line in the middle of the two shades. And I guess at this point my sister got tired because she normally uses she's like, I only use 1 or 2 eyeshadows. And she's like, this is a lot, and she was getting a bit frustrated. I'm just gonna blend the two shades together, and again, just to make it a little bit more brighter and out there, I'm just going to use the shade Rose Water. It's like a shimmery shade version of the first shade that I used, so it's just like a shimmery pale pink. Now I'm going back in with the shade Twilight that I first used, just to deepen and bring back any lost colour. And just to add a little fun to the look, I'm using this Revolution Eye Glisten in the shade Yours Truly, and I'm using the glittery side just to outline that cut crease. Moving on to foundation, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation and the shade F13. It's the same that I used, and we're totally different shades, but I just wanted to look as close as possible, so I'm just using my shade on her. And yeah, I'm just blending that out and patting the brush all over the face. So for contouring, I'm going in with this Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C16. And yeah, apparently she was making these faces to help me, but moving on, I'm just going to blend that in on her cheekbones, and I'm also going to use it on her jawline, but I don't think that's in the video. But yeah, that's the shade that I used for contouring. So for highlighting, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C12.5, and I'm just going on her forehead, nose, upper lip and chin, and I'm also going to use the same shade for under the eyes. So to set everything in place, I'm going in with the Mercier translucent loose setting powder, and I'm just going in all the places that I concealed, so the chin, under the eyes, nose, forehead. And apparently she doesn't normally do this, she just uses a normal face powder. She doesn't set her face with a setting powder. Apparently she doesn't get creasing, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in with that, and I don't really let it sit for long. I don't really bake, so as soon as I apply the powder, I'm gonna go in with the brush and wipe off the powder. So after setting the face, I'm just gonna go in with the Sleek Makeup Face Contour Kit powder in the shade Medium 885, just to bring back some definition and shape to her face. And for blush, I'm going in with this LA Girl Just Blushing in the shade Just Dance. And apparently she says I use this blush way too much, but I think I don't use it enough. I don't know, I feel like I've used it like once or twice on my channel before, but apparently I use it a lot. But yeah, I'm going in with that purple blush just to like match with the eyes a little bit. So back to the eyes, I'm going in with the Revolution X Tammi Tropical Twilight palette, and I'm using the darkest shade that I used, Twilight, and I'm just going to place that shade under the eyes, and this part is not going to be very neat. I'm just placing the shade under that. So for this part, I didn't even know she was doing this, like when I was doing the makeup. I literally saw this in editing. But yeah, now I'm just blending out that first shade with the shade Roses from the I Have Evolution palette. So for highlighting, I'm using this Pomade Beauty Code Rush highlighter palette in the shade Aglow, and I'm using, it's like a pink highlighting shade. I'm just going on with that on the brow bone, on the high points of the cheeks, the chin and the nose. And yeah, this look was so fun to make, because she didn't believe I could do this look on her eye. She thinks she has no lid space at all. You cannot do a cut crease on her lids and whatever, but yeah, I did it, and I really like how it came out on her as well. This is the finished look, guys. What do we think? What do we think? Side views? Okay. So the camera stopped filming, but for the lips, I used the McGrath Exxotica 430, and I used this Kiko Lipgloss in number 17. And yeah, this is the finished look. So I've already done a similar look to this on my channel before, but she wanted pink, so I got the pink. She got the pink. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Bye.